Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 11:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on July 7th, 2010. Nice update in the markets finally. So this is a 3-minute chart. Started off with a down gap, filled that gap completely. You can see that right through here. Even on a 3-minute chart you can see it nicely. That resistance, once broken, became support in this area. Zoom back in a little bit, make it more clear. And then we went off to the races with higher lows, higher highs. Tested the 104 mark, pulled back to an area of support, and then broke out of that even using that as support. We're now experiencing basically a double top with equal swing lows at the 104.20 mark. And if we zoom out a time frame on the SPY to a 15-minute chart, you can see how notable this is. This move here, the swing high past the 104 area from yesterday. So we experienced new highs at the 104.50 mark. To scrunch it all the way back out to see that we're testing this symmetrical triangle failure again. And so for the second time we're experiencing this, so reducing the amount of resistance back here as we fight to break out of the 105 mark, or at least test it for the first time. 60-minute chart also shows it nicely. And so symmetrical triangle sell-off, resistance, nice break of that. Feeding into this 105 mark. So I like that. Looking at the market internals, back to a 3-minute chart here, you can see that they have very nicely bled out, even below the 0.8. Lower highs, lower lows this time, confirming that, and just now recently making a move back up to an equal swing high from before, the 0.5 mark. So confirming that double top. Trend Q also bleeding out very, very nicely all day long, basically. After a big move up, pulled back, finally got below 0.8 resistance, and now we're selling off. So not the best confirmation this morning for that move, but later on. So the VIX, oftentimes a good tiebreaker between those two. When they're not confirming, it was just solidly bullish all day long with lower highs, lower lows. Right now we're experiencing a higher swing low through here, and that is a little bit divergent from the price. If you'll note that we had a double top in the price, a higher swing low, so be X% more careful about going long in this environment after a big move up already today. Back to the SPY, we closed right now on a daily chart. This is what we would be looking at. So very, very nice swing low through here, albeit very much lower than the previous one. So notable event after not being able to hold on to a higher swing low. Down gap, still massive resistance at 105 and 106 areas. We'll have to watch out for those on the way up if we even continue to go there. So good stuff. We'll have to see what the volume print looks like toward the end of the day, but that'll also be telling. And I love it. So good stuff, everybody. Hope you're having a great trading day so far. And D7 is looking forward to talking to you this afternoon, and we'll get rolling.